Hi, this is Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video I'm going to show you some basics in card making, and in this video in particular cutting cardstock to make a card. Now with Stampin' Up! Our cardstock comes in 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12 sheets, and here I have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of Baja Breeze cardstock, and I'm going to turn it to the long side and cut it in half at 5.5 inches. So I'm using my tabletop paper cutter, and I'm going to line that up on the 5.5 inch mark and cut. Now I have two pieces of cardstock, which I can get two cards out of one sheet of cardstock. I'm going to fold that in half, and the finished size will be 5.5 by 4.25, which is a standard size A2 card and will fit in our medium envelopes. I'm using a bone folder here to make a crisp crease, and it's ready to go. I can open it vertically, the portrait way, or landscape. Either way you can create a card. Now I have another sheet of 8.5 by 11, and I want a more elongated card this time, so I'm going to cut it on the 8.5 inch side in half, which means I'll use it cut it at the 4.25 inch mark, and I'm lining it up there, and I'm going to hold down the guide and cut. And now I'm going to want to fold this in half at the 5.5 inch mark. So I'm getting my Fiskars trimmer so that I can score this. The fibers in this paper run a certain way, and when you fold it this way for cutting, it doesn't make as crisp of a fold just on its own, and it almost breaks the cardstock and gives it some wrinkles there that you really don't want on your card. So I'm going to get my bone folder and put it through the trimmer and not use the cutting blade. I can't find my scoring blade right now, or use it. But I'm going to line that up at 5.5 because that's the 11 inch side. Take my bone folder and just make a score line all the way down there across the middle. So now I can fold it in half. And I have more of an elongated card this time when I cut it down the 8.5 inch side, so I can do a portrait card and it open from top to bottom like that, or sideways landscape, and it can open that way. So I hope that little tip helped you. I know I have some beginning card makers that visit my blog, and I wanted to help you out with this little tip. If you have any questions, email me at lisa@inkandinspirations.com. When you visit my website, I hope you'll sign up for my mailing list so you can get all my tips and videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.